Those of you who've been here for a while know what this is. This is the latest model of the Rugged Road cooler. I started with them probably 5 years ago with their very first version. Saw them on Facebook in a random ad and reached out and said, hey, I love the design of your cooler. Will you send me one? And they have. And they've continued to send me new models as they get them. So this is the 85 version. I also have the 65 of the previous version of this. This one just has a few upgrades. So it still has the same really nice handle, lace flat so that you don't hit your leg on it when you walk by. Still has the same lid with the cup holders on the inside and the kick flip lid. This one has 3 hinges instead of 2, but it pulls out of those hinges easily and slides back in. And now when you flip it over, you have cup holders available on the top. This thing floats completely upright in the water, which is a great feature. A few things they've added on the inside. This is all brand new. They added a rubber gasket here. I think you can now get the gasket for this same model cooler, but the older version that didn't come with one, and install it yourself. They added a basket. People asked, they answered. And then they also added a divider. So these dividers are great if you want to put like your raw meats on one side and then your cleaner things on the other side. I can't wait to start using this guy. I'm gonna be putting eggs and bread up here on the top, and my meats and my ice and other cold goods on the side when we go camping in a few weeks. Still has the same handles on the side with the nice rope handle. Also has these that you can lift up with your fingers there. That's typically how I carry mine if I want to carry it a little higher, if I know I'm going to have to put it in the truck. And then on this side, it still has the drain plug, which came in version 2, I think. But it's a great cooler. The biggest selling point of these things is that it weighs about half as much as a Yeti. So it holds ice just as long as a Yeti, but weighs about half as much. So it's a no-brainer to me. I don't have any Yetis or roto-molded coolers, but I've had a lot of experience with them. I don't see any reason to ever switch from the Rugged Road, honestly. Go check them out. I'll make sure I put a link to them in the description of the video. Thank you so much for making it to the end of the video. It'd be awesome if you'd click that logo in the bottom left-hand corner to subscribe to my channel, and maybe even check out one of my other videos shown on the right. As always, I hope you guys have a great day.